Hello friends, Maddie here, and today I'm going to model a simple crate and texture it. So, yeah, this is the basic texturing in Blender. Very simple way to texture a crate. I will show you it. First, this is our default cube, and let me show you the image which I am going to project on this cube. So this is the image. This is a crate image that I have to project on this cube. So what we have to do is go in texture mode. This is texture mode. First, what you have to do is we have to scale this cube little bit and just select here and add the image texture and open that image which we have to project on this cube. For example, here is the image. See, now press tab, go to the face mode and select all the faces and here go in UVs and click on cube projection. Cube projection. Just click on that. See, our crate is ready. See, very simple texturing method for a crate. This is looking very cool. We can add any texture of a crate. So this is a simple way how to. Let me take one quick render. Let me take a quick render for our scene. I will add another plane. Scale it bit little bit. Move it backward. A little bit. Go in light mode. 7, 7. Let me change the color of this plane. Let's take a quick render. So yes, this is our final render for our thumbnail. I will save this image. Save as desktop. So this is our final texture. This is a easy way to how to texture a crate. So that's it, friend. I hope you guys like this video. Stay tuned to my channel for more 3D modeling videos like this. Also some gameplay of some games which I have. So stay tuned to my channel and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.